Turn on the main power switch. Turn on the ignition. Dashboard lights up. Voltage meter lights up. Turn the ignition switch to start the engine. Engine turning. The voltmeter changes. The indicator light is on. Step on the gas. Dashboard changes. The indicator light changes. Voltage rise. Operation completed. Turn off ignition switch. Turn off the main power switch. Here is the fuel tank. Add gasoline here. Operation completed. Next, perform the OBD test. Insert diagnostic plug. Click on the corresponding brand. Make a diagnosis. Select the corresponding system part. Click to continue diagnosis. Click Read DTC. You can see the fault code. Click to clear the fault code. OBD test completed. Next, perform a fault demonstration. Demo number 4 fault. Connect a multimeter. The multimeter shows the voltage here. Press the fault switch. The voltage here returns to 0. Disconnect the multimeter and the demonstration is complete.